G'day, I'm Lam from Structural Concrete Solutions here at Dutton Park to talk about the public art installation we've recently completed. So the artist was kind enough to come out and give us a rough mock-up of where he would like his artwork, and then we come and ensured that it was in the perfect spot and we were happy to start the installation process. So the artwork is CNC cut brass with the design etched into it. It's come out looking fantastic once it's been all rebaited in. So once we were happy to start the process, we then drilled a small hole and started routering with a diamond tipped router bit on a very low speed to ensure it wouldn't burn out. Once the rebaiting process was finished, we then adhered the designs with an epoxy. After that, we then grouted the edges with a colour matched grout, sanded it back and ensured we were happy with our job. I'm incredibly happy with how the artwork has come out, and Dutton Park was the first one, and we're progressively moving south all the way down to Salisbury.